I'm just going to show you what I decided to get. So this one right here is Flashpoint 13-inch ring light. I bought it on Amazon for $39.99. I used to have the 18-inch one. The light bulb went out, and to repurchase it, it was really expensive and it's always out of stock. So I decided to just try this one and see how it works. If you guys are interested in detailed review, I will be posting that one as well, so you can go ahead and check my other video out. But anyways, this was that ring light, just a smaller one. Then I got this mirror, and this was like the flash deal, I think, on Amazon. I think that's what it's called. And I just saw so many good reviews for this mirror. And so basically it's got like 2 times, 3 times, 10 times magnifier. It's got like a light around it. It's not too big, which I didn't want to get one of those giant mirrors because I don't think they're super convenient and I don't want to take up my desk space. And so that's what it kind of looks like once you open it up. Right here. And it folds in like that. Also got these scissors. They're like heavy duty scissors. They were only $4.99. Again, that was like the flash sale. I am going to post the link online in case you guys are interested in something like that. And this thermometer, it could be used for ear, I believe, or forehead. And it's like a digital thermometer. A lot of people were saying really good things about it and how accurate it is. And so I'm going to give that a try. This was only $9.99 with that flash deal. Then I also went ahead and made a purchase at Sephora because they offered 15% off coupon of your entire order. So obviously I had to take advantage of that. And my sister really wanted like this cream. It's Hope in the Jar by Philosophy. So I decided to try this Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. This is just like a travel size. And again, I've heard a lot of good things about this product, so let's see if I like it. Finally, I'm going to get to try this Dior Skin Forever foundation. This foundation has pretty nice reviews too. Got this NARS concealer. Heard a lot of good things about it, especially on YouTube. Let's see if I like it or not. This is just a travel size. And this is the most exciting product that I purchased from Sephora. And it's the Boss Lady Beauty Agenda Too Faced Limited Edition eyeshadow palette. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It's so adorable and cute. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. And so it's like a little like binder looking thing. Uh-oh, we got a little problem here. There we go. Fix that. Wow. When you open this up, got a little mirror here. And so then you can kind of, whoa, look at those shades. Oh, and they even have highlighter, blush, and a bronzer. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this out. Got that, and then we have this little diary. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like, is that a planner? I think this is a planner actually. Wow. Hey, that's awesome. Wow, this is great. Okay. So we got that too. That is super cute. I also went to Ulta just to exchange one of my online purchases. And so I saw this little aisle with like the 5 for 5 things, and they were super adorable. This is just the Batiste travel size dry shampoo. I love this brand. This is my favorite dry shampoo ever. I highly recommend this. It literally makes my head feel like I just washed it, and it doesn't have that dusty residue or like white residue that other dry shampoos have. I mean, it kind of, once you first spray it, it looks like it does, but then you brush it through, and as you go through your day, it seems like your hair gets fresher and fresher. This is amazing. I love this. So that was just to keep it in my like purse. I saw these little things, the bath fizzers, and I had to get them. And then I realized it's like $1 each. This would be a cool stocking stuffer for sure. And I just got two different ones, different smells. And then this is super cute. This is gonna be for Danny when he takes his bath. This is just like a rubber ducky. And two of the hand sanitizers. Okay, one last thing I wanted to show you guys is just like these cute little slippers I got for $5.99 on Amazon. A lot of times they'll send me emails that, hey, we're having this sale for like shoes and stuff. I'm going to try and find a link for the shoe sale for you guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.